everyone, my name is Janelle Rivera and today I'm going to discuss about the printing press and beyond. So, what is printing press? So, printing press is a device that allows for the mass production of uniform printed matter, mainly text in the form of books, pamphlets, and newspaper. So, a printing press is any form of technology that applies pressure between an ink surface and the print medium. So, it's like a paper or a cloth. So, in this sense, it's a means of transferring ink from ink surface and the medium. So, it was an enormous improvement on previous methodologies like transcribing by hand using a pen and ink or brushing and rubbing repeatedly to achieve link transfer sa kaningkuan sa paper. So, basically means ang printing press is a fast machine good na mag-work, mura siya stamp, na magbutang ra ang ink sa mga letter, dayon magkuha kag paper or cloth baron nya didto ra kaning nimo ibutang ang ink nya mulakra na dayon didto ang ink sa papel nya madali ra pod nya managhan sad imong copies. So, printing press from the Renaissance. As the Renaissance continued to unfold, the printing press played as an increasingly important role in shaping intellectual, cultural, and societal movement across the Europe. So, sa una kay Renaissance time, people started learning and thinking about the world in a new ways. So, the printing press during that time, importante kaayo. Kay, sa una, pag magbuhat man sila og kaning books, kay writing by hand gani, and it took time consuming kay it took months or years una siya ma-public kay kaning balayhan ra ba niya kapoy biyan taas kayo ang kaning ang kaning book nga ilang himuon baron nya langay gud kaayo siya. So nya na ang sa importante ang printing press during sa kaning Renaissance time. And then, Johannes Gutenberg exists, which is the inventor of the printing press. He's trained as a metallurgist and a goldsmith in Held from Mainz, Germany. He was born in around 1399. He used his skills in metalworking to aid in the construction of his most important invention, and his first mass-marked book he produced was the Gutenberg Bible. So, here's the story of it. A long time ago in Germany, there was a clever man named Johannes Gutenberg. Ganahan siya o kilig siya og mga letters, books, and ideas. Sa una, mga books man kay isuwat ra by hand, and then it took months or years to make just one. So, only rich people can have them ra good. Then, Gutenberg thought of things and niana siya na there must be a faster way to make books so more people can read. So, nag-invent siya og printing press. First he invented was the metal letters that could be moved around, which called the movable type. I-rolled ra dito ang ink sa mga letters, then i-press and ang paper sa letters using machine. Ang machine is mura siya like big scroll press. Mo na siya. May inyana ba? Then, the link must stuck sa paper din. The page was printed already. So, inyana ra kasayon. Pag human og invent ni Johannes Gutenberg that time, during his time. And pwede nila siya mabalik-balik sad ang letter. So, it makes 1,000 of pages quickly using his printing press mobile type kit. And iyang one of the famous book good ug pinakauna niyang gibuhat, which is the Gutenberg Bible. It printed in 1455. People were amazed during that time kay ang books was dali na lang gud kayo buhatot, tas dili na siya mahal gani. Then more affordable na and more available na siya sa tanan. So because of Gutenberg's ideas, it spread all over the Europe. So people learn more about science, art, and religion. So and then the world is start changing during that time. So and that's why Johannes Gutenberg remembered as the man who helped the world read. Is the wood block printing. So, wood block printing is one of the earliest ways people printed words and pictures. So ginagamit ni sa taga China around 200 A BC by monks. Sa mga monks na siya ginagamit ang the word block printing. So, people would carve letters or pictures through piece of wood. Mag-carve sila og mga letters baron or kaning mga kaning picture gani or kaning something kuan ba image of kuan animals baron or kaning kuan human, something like that. And then kaning ang pictures through piece of wood, ang wood kay mag-act siya as a stamp. Kaning they would put ink in the kaning carved wooden block, then they would press a paper into the ink block, then the ink block is stuck on the paper, then making it as a printing page. So nganong magmatter man ni ang ganing kuan ang wood block printing. So in a simple way to make copies of text or pictures. So even though it was low and each block could only make one page, it was the start of printing technology. So mo na lang ginagamit sa una sa mga Channing monks during that time sa mga Chinese. So it helps spread knowledge and ideas before movable type and Gutenberg's press. So before niya ang kaning ang movable type ni Gutenberg's printing press kay nauna ni siya ang wood block printing sa China. So in short, ani kay ang wood block printing is like using a big carved stamp to make copies of words or picture on a paper. So metal movable type mo ni siya na-invent ni Johannes Gutenberg nga tiny metal letters siya nga you're going to arrange to print words on paper quickly, and it was invented around 1040 CE in Egypt by people in the Arabic speaking world. So this was about 60 years before the Crusade, which is the war between European Christians and Middle Eastern Muslim. So then Europe did not learn about this printing method until around 1450. Kay during the Crusade, both sides were focused on fighting good and not on sharing or trading new technologies like printing. So mano siya mga rise of fonts, which is the Arial, Baskerville, Bauhaus, Chicago, Copper Black, and etc. So the printing press today, the printing press has continued to evolve over the centuries, adapting to the demands of modern society. So from Gutenberg's movable type to the rapid advancement in digital printing, so the printing press today has remained a cornerstone of communication and mass production. So today it's hard to imagine a world without it as the printing technology. So it has advancement to encompass everything from newspaper and books to packaging, medical devices, and even 3D printing. So dako jugay kausaban sa mga niaging kuan sukad sa printing press ni Johannes Gutenberg. Nya karon ni-evolve na ang printing. That's why nanay mga technology printing, which is kuan na kayo kaning new and makabago na jud. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you learned something today about the printing press. See ya!